In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your business to Google Map. By the end, you'll have your business set up so customers can find you on Google and navigate right to your door. Start by opening your web browser and going to google.com/maps. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can save your progress under the right profile. On the Maps page, look to the top left and click the three horizontal lines. This opens the main menu. From there, choose Add Your Business. This takes you into the setup flow for creating your business profile on Google. Click Next to begin. First, enter your business name exactly as it appears in real life. Consistency matters here. Use the same name you use on your storefront, website, and invoices. Avoid extra keywords. A clean, accurate name helps with trust and verification. Next, type your business category. Start typing and select the closest match from Google's suggestions. Your category helps Google understand what you do, so pick the best fitting primary category now. You can always add secondary categories later if needed. When you're ready, click Next. You'll then see a question asking if you want to add a location customers can visit, such as a store or office. Choose Yes if people come to your physical location. Choose No if you operate as a service area business like a mobile repair service or delivery-only operation. Selecting the option that fits your model helps customers know how to work with you. After you choose, click Next. If you selected a physical location, you'll be prompted to enter your business address. Type it carefully, including suite or unit numbers if applicable. Accuracy here improves directions and helps prevent confusion. You may also see a map where you can drag the pin to your exact entrance, place it precisely to help customers arrive at the right spot. When that looks good, click Next. Google may now ask, "Is this your business?" If you see an existing listing that matches your business, select it to avoid creating a duplicate. Then click Next. If nothing matches, continue with your new listing. To finish the setup flow, click Manage Now. This creates your business profile and takes you into the dashboard where you can continue building it out. You may be asked to verify your business, which can happen by mail, phone, or email, depending on what's available. Verification unlocks full visibility and helps customers trust your listing. That's it. You've added your business to Google Map. From here, keep your profile accurate with hours, contact details, photos, and a clear description so customers can find and choose you with confidence.